In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a code on Udemy. Udemy, as we know, is an expansive marketplace jam-packed with courses across a vast spectrum of categories, from business to creative arts. Sometimes you might find yourself in possession of a code, perhaps a gift or a promotional offer, that you can redeem for Udemy credits. These credits can be very useful. They can either partially or fully cover the cost of a wide array of courses, making learning more accessible and affordable. So, grab that code you've got and let's walk through the process together. First off, we need to make sure you're logged into your Udemy account. Navigate to the Udemy homepage and look towards the top right corner. You'll see a login button, click on it. If you're already logged in, you'll see your profile picture in this area, signaling that you can skip this step. Once you click on login, you'll be directed to the sign in page. Here you have several options, but for simplicity and efficiency, let's use the Google login option. Click on the Google icon. This choice streamlines the process, allowing you to log in with your existing Google account details, saving you the time and hassle of remembering an additional password. After selecting the Google icon, a window will pop up prompting you to choose the Google account you wish to use for logging in. Select the account you want to use, or log into your Google account if you haven't already. This step is quite straightforward, but ensure that the Google account you choose is the one linked to your Udemy account, or the one you wish to associate with your new Udemy account. Now that you're logged in, let's proceed to the exciting part, redeeming your code. Move your cursor to hover over your profile photo at the top right corner. This action will unveil a drop-down menu packed with options. From this menu, you're going to select Udemy credits. It's worth noting that the interface of websites like Udemy can occasionally change. So keep an eye out for similar terms like My Wallet or credits if you don't immediately see Udemy credits. Clicking on Udemy credits will navigate you to a new page dedicated to your account's credit balance and redemption options. Here you'll find a field asking for your credit code. This is where you enter the code you have. Be attentive when entering your code. The difference between a capital O and a 0 can be subtle but crucial for the code to work. After you have entered your code accurately, you will notice a Redeem button. Click on this to apply your code. The system will then verify the code, and upon successful validation, your account will be credited with the corresponding amount. It feels a bit like magic, doesn't it? Suddenly, you've got credits to use towards learning something new. What's particularly nice about Udemy credits is the flexibility they offer. Depending on the value of the code you've redeemed, these credits can open doors to one or several courses, allowing you to explore different fields without immediate financial commitment. It's an excellent way to foster lifelong learning and curiosity. Remember, while the process of redeeming a code on Udemy is quite standard, sometimes glitches or errors can occur. If your code doesn't seem to work, double check that you've entered it correctly. Remember the capital O and 0 dilemma. If it still doesn't redeem properly, don't hesitate to reach out to Udemy's customer service. Their team is there to ensure you can access and enjoy your learning journey without undue hassle. And that, dear viewers, is all there is to redeeming a code on Udemy and beginning your next learning adventure. Whether you're looking to upscale your skills for professional development, or simply explore a hobby or interest area, those Udemy credits are your ticket to getting started. So, armed with your new knowledge, go forth and indulge your curiosity. Happy learning, and see you in our next tutorial.